About this property, Toyama Excel is just a 3-minute walk from JR Toyama Train Station. It offers a daily breakfast with fresh fruits. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the entire property. Featuring oversized windows and neutral shades, these air-conditioned rooms are fitted with video on demand and a trouser press. They also offer a fridge and hairdryer. Toyama Excel Hotel Tokyu is just 1 km from Toyamajo Castle and a 5-minute drive from Toyama Prefectural Suiboku Museum and the Museum of Modern Art. It is a 20-minute drive from Toyama Airport. Added conveniences include laundry services.